Are the first images of the Thai soccer team after rescuers pulled them from a cave. You're seeing these pictures from inside the hospital sharing this video. Take a good look at this. Doctors say all 12 boys who were rescued are now healthy. What a welcome sight that is. I want to bring in CNN international correspondent Matt Rivers, who is in Thailand, and CNN chief medical correspondent Dr. Sanjay Gupta as well. Matt, first give us an update.
It is just remarkable to see that video. The first time we've seen these boys since their remarkable, improbable rescue, and they're in that quarantine the doctors say they're going to have to be in for 7 days. Health officials gave a press conference update earlier today. They say the boys are in pretty good shape. One of them still has a lung infection but is responding well to treatment. And their parents have come to the hospital today throughout the day for the closest thing they can get to a reunion. You can see in that video they have to be on the other side of that glass wall. But, you know, you look at the boys in that video, they look to be in pretty good shape, John. Just absolutely a remarkable development and something that all of Thailand is celebrating right now.
You know, Sanjay, you're looking at this for the first time along with the rest of us right now. We see the kids in quarantine. They have the face masks on, this clean setting. What do you see and what have you heard about their condition?
Yeah, I mean, as Matt was saying, they obviously look pretty good. You know, whenever you look at a hospital setting like this, you're trying to look to see if there's any machines or IVs or things that the boys, medications the boys are receiving. They obviously look at, they have these masks on, again, to protect them from other people because their immune systems may be a little weakened as a result of what they've been through. We know they've lost about 4 pounds on average, you know, as a result of being in the cave for 2.5 weeks. So, but they look good, and we also hear that they're talking back and forth to each other quite a bit. One of the things that was mentioned was they're looking for signs of depression or anxiety. It's still very early. This is something they're going to need to look for weeks and months, but right now they say that they're doing well. Psychologists, ophthalmologists, other specialists will be visiting the boys today as well.
And we've seen 1 or 2 of them sat up there. You know, we saw other waves right there. We see them moving their hands. We had heard, perhaps, Sanjay, that 1 or 2 were suffering from lung infections. Is that something that will play out over this 7-day quarantine?
Well, typically you want to figure out what is causing the lung infection. And, John, common things are common first, meaning that, you know, is it a viral type pneumonia picture or bacterial? There are some more unusual pathogens that can cause infections if someone is in a cave for this long. They're going to check for all that. Depending on what it is, it's going to require treatment, probably IV antibiotics for a few days and then just oral antibiotics. So they keep saying 7 days. That timetable, my guess is, especially, John, after looking at this video, that timetable might be accelerated.